Casey here. We are going to make cookies and cream icebox cake, and I'm going to put it in my new rectangle cool and serve. All right, so this recipe is super simple. It calls for whipped cream, homemade whipped cream preferably. That's what we're going to do tonight. Or you could use Cool Whip or some other pre-made whipped cream. If you're making it yourself, you're going to need 3 cups of heavy cream, a 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. If you're going to buy it pre-made, you're going to probably need a large tub of Cool Whip. And then it also calls for a pack of Oreos or other brand chocolate stuffed sandwich cookies. Okay, so I've already made, I wanted to use my whipped cream maker for this instead of a blender. So I cut the recipe into thirds, and I already did 2 of the cups of whipped cream in here. And I'm going to show you how our whipped cream maker works. It's super simple. So, well, it's hard to see the line. I'm going to let you do it. So you're going to I'm going to put a cup of heavy cream, which is about halfway, maybe a little less than halfway. Yeah, but watch out. You don't want to block what we're doing.
Sorry.
Okay. And then 2 tablespoons. A 1/3 cup is 6 tablespoons. So divided into 3s is going to be 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And then a 1/3 tablespoon, teaspoon, a 1/3 teaspoon of vanilla. And our adjustable measuring spoons here are perfect for measuring smaller amounts or odd amounts.
After you pour it in there, can I pour it in here?
Okay, so let's mix this up to stir the sugar in. Make sure they can see what you're doing. Okay, she's just mixing the ingredients in.
This is the next thing, right?
This is our mini whisk. I love this thing. Okay, yes, go ahead and put this in. So we're going to put this.
Put it in, I'm going to say, and then you
Twist.
turn it.
This has a non-skid base. Okay, so go ahead and start.
Then you lift it and push.
So you have to pump the handle for about a minute to 2. And the cream is going to thicken up. Work those muscles, girl. You're getting stronger. About a minute. Okay, good.
I'm muted. Shut.
Yeah, good luck. Good luck trying to do that.
It's kind of hard. Ooh. But, you know.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Alright, so while we're doing this, I'm going to get Ariana to start layering the cookies. So what we're going to do, these are the inserts. Hang on a second. These are the inserts that go in the Pampered Chef container. And you're going to keep these in the freezer if you're going to use this outdoors. You keep these in the freezer so it gets nice and cold beforehand. And how this works is you take this insert out. Let's scoop this down. Okay, so hang on a second. So you put the insert in, you put the cake thing on top like this, and then that keeps the food cool. And then there's a lid. Okay. So we're going to use this for the icebox cake. We don't need this because all right, so we're going to layer cookies and cream. So what I want you to do, Ariana, while I'm pumping this, is just put a thin layer of cookies on the bottom. Excuse me.
Okay.
You already tasted it, didn't you?
It tastes good. It's so
Okay,
good.
just a minute. This is almost ready. What is it? They can see that.
I can see my face.
Oh, well, we only have a small shot here. So this is pretty much, it could go a little bit more. It's a little thick, but it can go a little bit thicker.
There's a bug on me.
I love the smell of Oreos.
Can I eat one?
If we have some left over, although you already brushed your teeth, I think.
I did, but I can brush them again.
This is nice.
I did not
I
brush my
counted
teeth.
like at least 44, Mama.
Hey, guess what?
All right, so you
I'm
gotta.
lucky I did not brush my teeth.
You gotta taste.
Oh, you gotta wait till the end. Woo! So,
Found it.
can you hand me that bowl, please? Back up.
Can I scoop it up yet?
All right. So,
You gotta get the pretty side.
look at that.
I'll scoop this outside
Crazy.
that's falling off. And someone
Ooh,
else.
you can really make this thick. You can keep going and make butter with this, which is really, really nice.
It's really good.
Just don't eat it all and don't put that spoon back in there.
I'm gonna put it in the sink.
Oh, duh.
How many spoons have you dirtied trying the,
She's been watching the same one over and over.
Yeah, and
I
then
think-
Ariana ate one and I accidentally grabbed another one because I was idiotic. Being stupid.
I think our
I was
base,
being stupid. And then I grabbed another one for Michael. Huh?
Nothing.
Yeah, it's rude.
You didn't hear what I said.
I did, but I heard stupid in it.
I think our base is coming loose here. The base,
Yummy,
yeah,
yummy,
there we
yummy.
go. It's not
Mama,
supposed
taste
to-
it, taste it. Rub your finger right there and
Well, maybe afterwards.
it tastes good.
I'm not supposed to really have this dairy, so I'm just gonna take your word for it.
You take my word too. I'm a big spoon.
Here, why don't I, just a little. Yeah, you don't need a lot. I
Want
need,
to taste that?
I'm gonna make sure I have enough for the recipe.
It's good.
Okay, so,
I shouldn't have dairy either.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
alright, so
Yummy
we
too
are
much.
going to layer this just like lasagna. Let's move that sugar out the way.
Yes.
Alright, so I'm going to put a thin layer, or maybe not so thin layer, of whipped cream
Can I rub
over
it?
the cookies.
Mama, can I rub it?
Why don't you I'm going to use half of this.
Can I
We're
rub
going to
it?
do a 2-layer. Get a spoon.
So I can rub it? Do you remember?
Yeah. Here, go ahead and use this and spread it on top. Okay, go ahead and take the top on that. Do we know where the top is? Okay. We gotta go a little faster for this video, Gabby. Come on.
Sorry.
Just spread it out. She's having
Oh,
fun.
you're breaking it.
She's having fun singing her little song. Watch out.
Yes. No. Whatever. It's a very interesting song. What about the funny songs?
Is that enough? Maybe we could use a little more? I don't know. Can you get it in there?
Yeah, I think so. It's not over here. Okay, it's over there.
We're just doing a thin layer.
Okay. Can I eat this because it's not used?
No.
It's about to be used.
We need as much of this as we can because we do not want to run out of whipped cream for sure. Okay, so yeah, this is
Mama,
definitely.
here. It doesn't need to be used.
That's okay.
Mama, how much more cookies do you need?
We're gonna do another layer right on top of this.
You're gonna have enough more?
Just like with banana pudding and stuff like that. So yeah, it called for like 33. I think we have that.
Huge container.
I think y'all ate too many cookies. All right,
I
so
didn't eat any.
so maybe you know what? I wonder if we were supposed to split these in half. Let's go ahead and open these up. It's very possible that we were supposed to do
Can I
that.
eat this?
I did not read the directions like I probably should have.
Can I eat this?
Read it.
I'm eating this, Mama.
No, we look at our cake. We need it for in here.
But it has those you haven't split up.
Maybe those were supposed to be crumbled on top. Yeah, I don't know. We're just improvising here because
Mom didn't read the
I didn't read the instructions. You would have thought I would read the instructions.
But she didn't.
I didn't. So, I think what's supposed to happen is maybe there's supposed to be a layer of this and then cookie, and then a layer of this, and then some crumble cookie on top. That's probably what was supposed to happen. But we did it backwards. And now,
Okay, so Mom's spreading it.
yep, it
What after? Like,
it turned out a little different, but you know what? I'm sure it'll taste
I almost fell.
just fine. Go ahead and spread it out. I think, or what I'm hoping is that the whipped cream will soak into the cookie.
ew, wait, what?
Yeah, it's kind of make
That
like
might taste
we're gonna freeze it and eat it later. So it's gonna be kind of like ice cream, like cookie
It can't be ice cream if it's whipped cream.
whipped cream. That's what you use to make ice cream.
It is?
You freeze it.
Oh, baby.
Well, you freeze the heavy cream, and it makes ice cream. Heavy
Okay.
cream makes all
I
kinds of
missed
stuff.
that.
All right, so
I can't believe there's no more Oreos.
this did not quite turn out how I was
can make this
expecting,
now.
but you know, I think it has potential.
Can I eat this now?
I want to eat that. Where's the big spoon? Can I eat that?
So
Oh, Ariana's has
we're gonna
more.
freeze this and see how it turns out. So hopefully I didn't completely mess
Ruin it.
y'all up. Yeah. Anyway,
We could try it again, maybe.
I will share how this turns out. Y'all have a good night.
Don't